Our clients are in the position where they can buy and sell homes very frequently, and a lot of clients enjoy doing this. So oftentimes when our clients purchase these homes, they want to make it custom to them. So we had a client buy a very nice house in Hawaii and wanted to re-renovate the whole thing. So we facilitated all of that, made sure that this would all be done without their aid, basically. They just wanted to put in the design aspect, and we covered everything else. So we spoke with the vendors on a day-to-day basis. We made sure we were getting all the invoices on time, all the invoices were paid. If there's gonna be any delay, that we knew about it, and then that the client knew about it. Oftentimes they want certain pieces of art shipped from a foreign country, so we will get the export license, facilitate the wire, and make sure that the art is shipped to this new home on time and safely, and we make sure it's insured. Our clients, when they purchase a new home or sell a new home, they want to move on quickly and make sure that it's not a huge stress in their life, and we take care of everything so the client doesn't have to.